Let's talk about supplements. Let's talk about VADE nutrition. I'm pretty excited because I, believe it or not, have never tried one of those things when I've seen it at the gym. People have those little shaker balls in there and they like magically make these shake perfectly smooth. I'm kind of a skeptic to begin with, but I really like what VADE Nutrition sent for our review. This little thing is full plastic. That's what I'm talking about. This is the thing that's kind of like that little ball, super easy to clean. I just actually cleaned it right out of the box, cleaned it for the first time. We're gonna put in our little packet and we're hoping that it's going to mix. So add some milk. I'm really intrigued because this is the perfect way to, like, if you're in the morning, if you're in a rush, you don't want to put it in a blender or anything like that. So this thing actually seals really nice, has a nice top sealer as well, so really big opening for your mouth, of course, so you actually can get it down quicker in my case. Really nice to seal here, and if you had a carabiner, if you want to attach it to a bag or just transport, like that's how I would carry it, just like that. So let's start mixing and seeing what that ball. I can feel. It's funny that I can feel that thing just mixing, doing its thing. I don't know how long I'm supposed to be doing this, but I feel like it's already done. And you could already see how blended this is. Taste test, obviously. I did it for what, 15 seconds at most. It's blended perfectly, it's smooth, super tasty, by the way. VADE, nicely done. This is a really nice product, super resistant, very easy to clean. Big fan.